Hey, my name is Kayla and I'm the proud owner of the Lunar Radiance Wellness Center, and today I'm going into a mini lesson on Tapas. So Tapas is a Niyama, or a self-observance, and Tapas is all about self-discipline. It's about that fiery passion within us that helps us do things even when we don't want to. And so one of my favorite yoga sequences for this is a sun salutation. And so we'll go through sun salutation A today to be able to honor that, get that fire going within us, and come into that regular practice of sun salutations. So going ahead and starting at the top of your mat here, coming into mountain pose, allowing your feet to become rooted within the earth, bending the knees, pulling the belly button into the spine, bending the shoulders to melt down the back as the crown of the head becomes nice and tall. On your next inhale, breathing the arms up overhead, reaching up nice and tall, and as you exhale, swan diving, folding forward, bending those knees as much as you need as you release the head, the neck, the shoulders, and the back. On your next inhale, coming up to a flat back with your hands on your knees or thighs for support. And then exhaling, folding forward. Going ahead and bending your knees as you plant your hands into the earth, stepping the right foot back, and then your left foot coming into a plank as we exhale, coming all the way down onto the mat. Feeling the earth here as you inhale and as you exhale. On your next inhale, pressing through the feet, the thighs, hips, and hands, coming on up to a cobra or baby cobra, depending on where you're starting today. And exhaling, coming back down onto the mat. On your next inhale, going ahead and gently and kindly coming up into downward facing dog. Bringing the hips up into the air as you pedal out your dog, bending the right knee, bending the left. On your next inhale, taking your right foot, stepping it in between your hands, and then your left foot coming into a beautiful forward fold, bending those knees as much as you need. Inhaling, coming on up to a flat back, hands on knees or thighs for support, and exhaling, folding forward. On your next inhale, gently and kindly rolling all the way up, going vertebrae by vertebrae, bringing the hands up overhead. Exhaling, releasing those hands down to your side. Taking this moment here to inhale and exhale, feeling that fire within you. Coming back to your tapas and your self-discipline. Thanks so much for practicing with me today. My light honors your light. Namaste.